Welcome back to Healthy Tips Tuesday. Whether you're a beginner looking to kickstart your weight loss journey or someone who wants to take it to the next level, I've got you covered. So do me a favor, hit that like and subscribe button so you never miss a video. And now, let's jump right in. Hey everyone, and welcome back to Healthy Days. My name is Melissa. If you are new here, I create videos helping people out along their weight loss journey. About 5 years ago, I started researching sustainable weight loss, and now I love sharing everything that's worked for me with you. In today's video, we're going to go over my recipe for high protein chocolate chip pancakes. They are so delicious. Let's go make them together. On my channel, you will find a variety of weight loss tips. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you never miss a video. I upload new videos each week. I cannot tell you how excited I was when I realized that you can make pancakes in a healthy version. If you're anything like me, I want to lose weight or I want to maintain my weight loss, but I do not want to feel deprived. So if you've checked out any of my other videos, you know that all of my recipes are made with intentional ingredients that are going to continue to help you with your weight loss. Let's go over the ingredients for these pancakes. 1/2 cup rolled oats. 1/2 cup cottage cheese, 2 eggs, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/4 teaspoon baking powder, 1 tablespoon unsweetened cocoa powder, and 1 tablespoon dark chocolate chips. Let's go put it together. So, like I've mentioned before, I love being healthy and I love maintaining my weight loss and whatever is making me feel my best. But I never want to feel deprived. I want it to be a mindset shift and I want it to be about choosing healthy ingredients that are going to help me along my weight loss journey. I don't want to feel restricted and I don't want to feel like I'm constantly dieting. So that's why I want to share all of these recipes with you so that you can have that mindset shift because really for long-term weight loss, that's what it takes. It becomes a lifestyle. So take your ingredients and add them all into the blender. Combine the rolled oats, cottage cheese, eggs, vanilla extract, baking powder, and cocoa powder, and blend until it's nice and smooth and creamy. And I also love this recipe because it's a healthy version that I can share with my family. And I don't know about you, but my kids love pancakes. They may not be on a weight loss journey, but they still need to be getting healthy ingredients into their bodies. So once you have all the batter mixed up, heat on a nonstick skillet over medium heat and lightly coat it with cooking spray. Pour the pancake batter onto the skillet to form the small pancakes. And next, for my favorite part, especially when I have a sweet tooth, sprinkle the chocolate chips onto the pancakes. Cook until bubbles form on the surface of the pancakes, and then flip and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes. So I think it's equally as important to know why what you're eating is going to help you on your weight loss journey. So let's go over that. The oats are a good source of fiber, which helps you feel full and satisfied. And I was a little hesitant on this one. I was thinking to myself, I'm going to put cottage cheese in a pancake batter, but you are going to be so surprised. When you blend it up and you put the ingredients with it, you do not even taste that you are working with cottage cheese. Plus, cottage cheese is high in protein, which helps maintain muscle mass, which is so important during weight loss to maintain that muscle. You don't want to lose the muscle, you want to lose the fat. And it helps boost metabolism. And of course, eggs are also high in protein and can help you feel full for longer periods of time, helping you to reduce your overall calorie intake for the day. And by using the unsweetened cocoa powder and the dark chocolate chips, you can satisfy your chocolate cravings without adding excess sugar and calories. So there you have it. I hope you will enjoy and make this delicious high protein chocolate chip pancake recipe for yourself and your family soon. Remember, you can continue to maintain your weight loss and be going on your weight loss journey and not go without. You don't have to feel deprived. As always, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please take just a moment to give it a thumbs up. It really does help out my channel. And if you're really looking to jumpstart your weight loss, check out the description box down below. I just uploaded my 10-day weight loss detox that is going to get rid of all the toxins and reset your body. I do it, it's my exact formula. I do it once every 3 months, and I am telling you, it is going to accelerate your weight loss. So go check that out in the description box down below. And if you're looking for more healthy weight loss tips, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I so hope you will be part of this community. I offer weight loss smoothie recipes, I have weight loss salad recipes, and I just go over the different things that I've researched over the years that are going to help you along your weight loss journey. You don't have to feel alone. We can keep each other accountable, and it's a great way to stay inspired, motivated, and encouraged. Remember, weight loss is a gradual process. It's important to focus on sustainable habits rather than quick fixes. Consistency really is key. Check out some of my favorite meal prep kitchen gadgets to help keep you on track for reaching your weight loss goals. They're all linked in the description box down below.